Good morning, boys and girls. This is your morning work for today. You need to listen to the passage and then go answer the questions. It's called Clever Canines. Dogs are often said to be man's best friend. This is true for many reasons. Our dogs lovingly greet us at the door when we get home. They work hard to keep us safe. Many dogs will put themselves in danger to help a human they love. They are faithful friends to so many of us. Most every dog is loyal, but their other characteristics can differ greatly by breed. Intelligence is just one characteristic of many. So what exactly makes a dog intelligent? And to which dog breeds do the smartest dogs belong? Make dog make what makes a dog smart? In this book titled The Intelligence of Dogs, Stanley Coren explains what makes dogs smart. He says that intelligence isn't the only factor in deciding which dog breeds are smartest. Some dogs are highly intelligent and specialize in one area, but they may not take direction from humans well, or they may be too independent. One example is the Basset Hound. Basset Hounds have one of the keenest senses of smell among all dog breeds. However, they can be very stubborn, and a stubborn dog is hard to train. Likewise, terriers have excellent hearing, but they do not take directions well. Here are some of the all around smartest dog breeds according to canine expert Stanley Coren. German Shepherd. This breed is known for being fiercely loyal. They are very protective of their masters, making them excellent guard dogs. It's no surprise that they are the first choice for the job of police, military, and service dogs. German Shepherds are also known to be great pets for families with young kids. They are large dogs and can grow to be nearly 100 pounds. Because of their high intelligence, they also require lots of physical and mental exercise. Some great mental activities are allowing them to sniff and explore on walks, teaching them new tricks, or playing hide and seek with their treats. According to the AKC, it can take a lot of time to earn the love and affection of a German Shepherd, though. German Shepherds make great war dogs because they can help in ways that humans can't. German Shepherds can sense a human up to 650 feet away using their senses of smell and hearing. They can also detect bombs and find friendly soldiers who may be wounded. Standard Poodle. The poodle's intelligence makes it a great pet as well. Canine Journal says, due to the fact that these dogs are such fast learners, many people believe that they make the perfect pet. However, without direction and teaching, poodles can be difficult to handle and hard-headed. They require lots of attention from their owners and need to feel like they are a part of the pack. The AKC describes them as eager, athletic, and wickedly smart. Poodles can be taught to hunt, track, and retrieve during hunts. They obey commands well. A bonus of this breed is that their coats are hypoallergenic and don't shed. This means that they should not bother people who are allergic to dogs. The poodle is one of the most popular breeds in the U.S. Border Collie. The Border Collie is often number 1 on intelligence lists. The AKC lists the breed as affectionate and energetic workaholics. Border Collies are also herders. They don't have to live on a farm to be happy, but they do require lots of space to run around and explore. They are known for having a herding eye, staring down the animals they intend to herd. Additionally, Border Collies are often stars of agility contests. These are races where dogs find their way through obstacle courses for the fastest time. They are usually easy to train. Obviously, smart dogs make some of the best pets, but intelligent dogs require special attention when raising and training them. Physical exercise is a must for all dogs, but these dogs, like a good brain, work out as well. Early training and teaching new tricks often keep them the happiest. So this says the standard poodle works hard to retrieve ducks during a hunt. These dogs were once used as circus performers due to their high intelligence. The 6 smartest dog breeds. Border Collie, number 1, medium size, happy when learning or working, can be prone to boredom. Number 2 is the Poodle, large size, very athletic and proud, perfect for people allergic to most dogs. German Shepherd is number 3, large size, courageous and athletic, perfect guardians, gentle family pets. Number 4 is the Golden Retriever, large size, excellent at hunting and field work, perfect as seeing eye dogs. Doberman Pinscher, extra large size, sleek fit with a shiny coat, often work as guard dogs. That's number 5. And number 6 is a Shetland Sheepdog. It's small size, very eager to please owners, natural herders, and great therapy dogs. So it says finding evidence. These are the questions. Find each piece of text evidence in the article and highlight or underline it with the color specified. For items 1 through 3, you'll be finding evidence to support what the text says explicitly. Find a sentence that gives the author's main source of information in the article. Highlight it in blue. Find a sentence that tells how the AKC describes Border Collies. Highlighted in green. Find a sentence that tells how big a German Shepherd can grow. Highlighted in purple. For items 4 through 6, you'll be finding evidence to support inferences drawn from the text. Find a sentence that tells you poodles sometimes require a lot of work. Highlighted in orange. Find the sentence that tells you which breed of dog you should get if you hate having to clean up pet hair. Highlighted in yellow. Find a sentence that tells you that a smart dog would be happy to be in a home where they were given little attention. Highlighted in pink. So that's what you need to do for this.